It's time to make voice feel human. Meet Vocal SDK by Vocal Labs. Add real-time speech to any app. Let's go!
Hello, is this Rahul?
Yes, speaking.
Hi Rahul, I'm calling from Vocal Labs. Looks like your KYC process is still incomplete. Can you please open the Vocal Labs app right now and finish it once? It'll just take a minute.
Okay, it's open.
Great. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a small symbol. Tap that. That'll open the KYC section. Our agent will connect with you there and guide you through the process, step by step.
All right, got it.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Rahul.
Hi there! You're on the identity verification screen. Please tap on the purple Continue Next Step button at the bottom to begin your KYC face verification.
Experience real-time voice power, powered by Vocal Labs.